If you're searching for a keto cranberry recipe, you don't have to look any further. I've got one for you today. So this recipe couldn't be any simpler. All you need is one 12-ounce package of cranberries. I'm going to use Splenda today. If for whatever reason you want to substitute sugar, it's a 1-to-1 ratio Splenda I'm using. Feel free to put in regular sugar. And I'm going to use lime juice. 1/3 of a cup of lime juice, 2/3 of a cup of water, a little bit of salt, and it's that easy. You just take your wet ingredients, water, lime juice, pinch of salt. We're going to put in our Splenda. And then we add the cranberries. Mix that up just a little bit. And we're going to put it on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Okay, these have started to split, so they are definitely done. We're going to turn the heat off and let them stand for about 5 minutes before we transfer them. Okay, the cranberries have been standing for 5 minutes. Now we're going to transfer them before we put them in the fridge. And after a couple hours in the fridge, it is now chilled and ready to serve. Keto lime cranberry. So one of the things I love about this for the holidays is I think that the lime flavor complements turkey really well, and this will be great for leftovers as well. I love this on wraps. So you just stir it up a little bit. You can see it's ready to serve, and this really is fantastic. I hope you try it. If you would right now, please go ahead and click like, and please click subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on future videos.